Gone, will you catch me when I fall? On a fly so high, you would think I'm on the dark road. I'll be on the Game of Thrones, got these rappers on the wall. Swear I got him so scared, not the only one I call. Not they all wanna be friends, but I don't trust the shit. Standing told me what I know, and that's some real shit. So now I put it on my back and kill every single song. What is going till we cover like a little squid. See our hands and everything, money, power, respect. Shout out to my homie West, got out Europe, USA, so we're riding the spits. With the struggle every day, working even on the bits. The word is mine, shout out to Nas, that's the present in the past. I'll be on the old school, listen to that with a clan. I'm so focused on my song, how will you sound by the sun? I just gotta be a bigger star. Will you catch me when I fall? Yeah. Get out, stand on you. Yeah. Do they think they're around this world? I need you, girl, that's everything I know. Yeah. Will you catch me when I fall? Yeah. Get out, stand on you. Yeah. Do they think they're around this world? We're the best, that's the only thing I know, yeah.
Where you at, where you at, where you hiding? I'm talking about you, yeah, you know where you can find me. No revenge, no threats, no fear. Even if you ain't here, just remember we're family. I love you, this I can tell straight. But if love doesn't turn to deeds, it appreciates. Well, love and deeds, what's the real exchange rate? That's the kind of stuff that goes through my head when I am out of home, 2 AM in France. Never thought I'd find myself here slipping on the stage, literally. Well, I don't always play my planes, man, you better ask God. Since I'm driven through this path, seems traveling helps a lot to make rappers flow easy. They've been writing whole verses out of names on the cities they get to. Well, do you appreciate that work? I've been trying to bring something new while these rappers, they just lurk. I'm out.
Will you catch me when I fall? Yeah. Get out, stand on you. Yeah. Do they think they're around this world? I need you, girl, that's everything I know. Yeah. Will you catch me when I fall? Yeah. Get out, stand on you. Yeah. Do they think they're around this world? We're the best, that's the only thing I know. Yeah. Will you catch me when I fall? Yeah. Get out, stand on you. Yeah. Do they think they're around this world? I need you, girl, that's everything I know. Yeah. Gone. Will you catch me when I fall? Yeah. Get out, stand on you. Do they think they're around this world? We're the best, that's the only thing I know. Yeah.
Pero lo he visto ahora y no, antes de vender.
¿Qué te parecieron los trucos que hacen?
Muy bonitos y muy difíciles. Me ha intentado explicar algo y no me salía.
¿Te gustaría aprender?
Sí, mucho. Me encanta a mí esto, el fútbol y todo eso.
Sí, claro, es muy bueno y tiene calidad de los pies.
¿Qué trucos así son los que más te han gustado?
Ese que ha hecho en el suelo, que él ha empezado a dar la pelota con los pies, mucho también. Ese es el que más.
Al dejar el balón ahí plantado en su pierna.
¿Te gustaría aprender?
Ay, claro, sí.
Y aquí concluye esta gran experiencia en el Parc Nadalenc de Catarroja. Hoy hemos realizado el workshop donde los chavales han podido aprender un poco más sobre este deporte, sobre el freestyle, aprender trucos incluso. Y nada, no queda más que agradecer al Ayuntamiento de Catarroja por habernos acogido a través de la Concejalía de Deportes y Juventud. Muchas gracias y hasta la próxima.